You're welcome once again to my channel. My name is Isaac, and today I'll be talking about monetization. YouTube monetization. What is it, and what are the requirements, and what do you need in order to get to monetize your videos on YouTube? So today, if your video or your channel is now accepted into YouTube partnership program for the first time, and you don't even know how to turn on monetization, don't worry, this video is for you. I'm doing this video for you in order to turn on monetization so that you'll be able to earn revenue from your hard work. Okay, so first, before you'll be able to monetize your video on YouTube, now YouTube has set a threshold that you need to complete, that you need to finish before you can apply for YouTube partnership program. So the first thing you need to set a channel, a YouTube channel, and at least you must have at least a video on your channel, and I think the number of minutes, at about 120 minutes of your video, and this means the minutes of your video should be at least, when we calculate all the videos, the total minute, and it should be at least 120 minutes or more. So when you do that, the next thing that you are supposed to do is to complete 1k subscribers, which means 1000 subscribers. You need to complete 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. 4000 public watch hours. Yes, let me put it in that way. It's not all watch hours counted as watch hours, but they are looking for 4000 public watch hours. Why did I say not all watch hours are counted as watch hours? Because when you upload your video as private, so those watch hours that you gain from that part will not be considered as public watch hours. And when your video is unlisted, okay, such video cannot also be, or watch hours gained from that video can also be given as watch hours by YouTube. So you have to take note of that. So if you are setting a YouTube channel with the aim of monetizing your channel in order to get revenue from it, you need to always upload your videos on public. Set your videos to be public. That is the first thing that you need to do. Now, after you have gotten the 4000 public watch hours and the 1k subscribers, you will receive a message from YouTube that you have met their requirement, and you want to monetize your channel. You can apply for YouTube partnership program. Good. So when you applied, you also will be applied for AdSense account. If you don't have AdSense account, that will be the first thing that you need to do. You have to have AdSense account. Now, after completing your AdSense account, I think it will take, if everything goes on successfully, it will take less than 24 hours for AdSense to approve your account. Mine, I think, got at least, I think it was 6 hours, and my account was approved. So after your AdSense is now created and is being approved by the AdSense, then YouTube team will also look at your channel. Okay, they also look at your channel. They will look at the title, your thumbnails, your videos. If there is anything, if you have copyright on it, this will affect you. It will take a long time for the team to get your channel monetized or to approve your channel. So for you to get it easy, you have to make sure that you don't have copyright, and then you don't have any active community guidelines on your YouTube channel. So if you have all these things are correct, it is easy for them to approve. Mine got approved within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, and my channel was approved. Okay, now that your channel is not approved, let's say your channel is approved now, and you don't even know how to turn on monetization or how to monetize your channel. Now, when YouTube approves your channel, videos monetization doesn't turn on automatically. You have to go there and turn on every video one by one, yes, so that the advert can play on the video. So when your channel is monetized, it doesn't mean that the adverts are going to play on your video automatically. No, you have to go and turn on this monetization on. Okay, so we have two ways of that. Now the first one is that when you have a video which is less than 8 minutes, that's automatic. YouTube will decide on what type of advert to place on it, and YouTube has also given creators the opportunity to also place video on their place adverts on their videos. So if you have a more than 8 minutes length, okay, if your video, the length, the minutes on your video is more than 8 minutes, you can add more adverts on that. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you today. So let's get started. I'm taking you through my YouTube studio for you to look at how to go about it. So okay, this is my studio. We are in my studio now. So when you get to your studio like this, you just have to go to your videos. Okay, you just type on your videos. So connect your videos. So hit on your videos to see, yes, your videos. So this is my videos. Okay, this is my videos. All my videos are monetized. I have 10 on all the videos. So this is what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you how to add made ads on the video, how to add more adverts on your video. So such thing can be done on video with more than 8 minutes or from 8 minutes going. So I'll just pick one of my videos and do that on it. So let me pick this video. Yes, let me pick this video. Okay, let me pick this video. So when you click on it, then you click on the monetization sign, the dollar sign there. Okay, so just wait. I think the network, let me pause. So this is where it has taken me through. It says that monetization is on. So you just have to, if you are new, when you click on video, you just have to turn on all these things. You have to turn on all these things. Okay, just turn on all these things. But if the video is more than 8 minutes or from 8 minutes going, and this is what I'm going to show you. So when the video is more than 8 minutes, just have to come here and then you click on manage made videos. So okay, you click on that, manage made videos. So this is it. So as you can see with this video, I have placed 4 adverts on it. So today I'm just going to show you how to do that. So as you have seen it, you want to check this symbol. So when you place on here, you can put advert. You just add advert. So as you can see, the advert has been added. If I want to add another advert on the beginning, I can then we just hit on add, and then so I have 2 adverts at the beginning of the video, and when the video play for 3 minutes, I have another advert there. and when it's play for 5 minutes 42 seconds, I have another advert, and then 6 minutes 29 seconds, I have another advert, and then on the 11th minute I have another advert. So after that, you just have to click continue. So you just click here continue, and you have to come and click here save. Okay, so when you save, that is all, it is done. Your adverts, all these adverts will be played on the YouTube, but the advert will not be played automatically like the way that you have set it. YouTube, you decide on which time or when to play the advert. So this is how you can add adverts on your YouTube, guys. So this is how you can turn on your monetization. Yes, you can learn how to add mid ad to your video. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment. You can also share. If you comment, I will reply all your comments personally. See you in the next video. But check this video, you need to watch this. Bye bye.